Hi, good morning, namaste, and welcome to another vlog. आज का vlog थोड़ा special होने वाला है क्योंकि we got a very special guest coming with us. But before that, we have a big news for you all. मैंने अपना नाम Hyrox मुंबई के लिए register कर दिया, which is happening on September 7 और आज है August 9 Saturday. So we got exactly 29 days for prep. मैंने सोचा है कि मैं एक 29 days का prep series डालूंगा Instagram पे, उसकी editing चालू है with my first coffee. रिगार्डिंग यूट्यूब मैं थोड़ा इधर उधर था क्योंकि मेरे को लग रहा था कि मैं अगर यूट्यूब पे भी शूट करूँगा, एडिट करूँगा, इंस्टा के लिए शूट करूँगा, एडिट करूँगा, बहुत हेक्टिक हो जाएगा. एंड आई गॉट माई हाउस टू हैंडल माई कॉलेज एंड एवरीथिंग. सो मैं यूट्यूब पे एटलीस्ट 1 या 2 व्लॉग्स डालूंगा पर वीक रिगार्डिंग द प्रेप. एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे डेली व्लॉग्स. सो ऑल बेटर फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. 10:30 AM right now and we have to meet Danny by 2:30 PM. So time बहुत कम. I have to get ready as well. So I'll see you all there. Okay, I just got ready for the gym and for pre-workout I'm tea brown with some dark chocolate and 1 scoop of whey with milk. I'm actually excited to train with Danny क्योंकि बहुत time हो गया था I haven't met him. And today we're gonna hit legs. So leg day is again my favorite day. So I'm excited for that. And we're gonna train a very beautiful gym. So I'm really excited for that. I'm gonna complete my meal and leave for the gym. Okay, so I'll see you all in the gym. Let's do this. Boom! Okay, everyone, this is my bestie, Danny. Most of you will be
come
knowing
together
to
after a
his-
very, very
to
long
his,
time.
Japan, Bali, and all those aesthetic vlogs.
Travel
But he's a
and
very good
tourism.
friend of mine. Actually,
So
started
sweet.
posting gym vlogs by seeing him. I wish he was at 50K and I was at 12K when I followed him. And I guess after following him in 10-20 days, he followed me back and I was in the gym and I was like, damn, Danny followed me back. That's crazy. And I still remember that day you were in some red gym. There was a red shoe lockers and all those stuff. During those times, I used to follow you.
Oh
The
my
oldest
goodness.
gym of yours,
Yeah,
the red and the white.
It's called
aesthetic.
Fitscore.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
at first, you must start posting
And
content.
I mean, actually, I'm not even kidding. Right now, Danny is a very good friend of mine, but before he was a creator I used to admire a lot. And
Thanks, yeah. Means a
so
lot.
yeah, I mean, when he
Sweet
followed
guy.
me back, I was like, damn, he actually followed me and all those
But
stuff.
Vaibhav's content is goated, bro. Like it's so like real, you know. Like he just himself online, and that's the best thing you can be as a content creator. Real.
So we're gonna have a crazy leg workout. We're gonna follow his leg workout. I hope my leg doesn't get. Let's see how it goes.
Let's go.
We're gonna start with the warm-ups and then we're gonna do what? So okay, what does your leg workout look
Oh yeah,
like?
so today we have superset workout. So today the main focus of today is to get blood, like a lot of blood collected in your legs. So yeah, superset of leg press along with goblet squats, hamstring curls along with dumbbell RDLs, calf raises along with pendulum squats, free weights. Let's get it.
Let's go. Oh. Had your pre-workout?
Huh?
Did you have a meal?
I hate my meal. I ate my breakfast, bro.
Didn't you have lunch?
The thing is, I'm on a bulk right now. Slight bulk.
Bulk means bulk or
No, very lean bulk, bro.
Yeah.
So my breakfast is very heavy because I felt sick. I wasn't eating properly like the whole last week. So now to eat that much again is like kind of hard.
Yo,
So, like-
Danny, do you know what? I registered for Hyrox Mumbai.
You registered
Yeah,
Mumbai.
yeah, this one. It's in 1 month.
Who are you going with?
Huh?
Alone?
Solo, yeah.
That's so sick, bro.
Yo, you join in with me. Be crazy.
Bro, I would love to, bro.
It's happening on September 7th. I actually registered. I started prepping for it also. Bangalore one we can do duo, yo.
April I'm doing.
April. Yeah, even I'm gonna do that. I was actually planning for April, okay. Then I was in college. The class was boring. I was just scrolling through my laptop. I was like, bro, what do I do? What do I do? I was like, I just got it randomly. I got it. I got the open category though. I want to see how
running
good
it,
I
so
can
yeah.
do in this, so I can start prepping for the Bangalore one.
Mad. I think I want to do the Bangalore and all these boys also. That's our goal for next year also.
Huh?
Hyrox seems pretty sick, bro.
Crazy.
I feel like that's being fit, you know, like
That is
properly
actually
fit.
fitness. If you
Yeah.
want to know about your fitness, that's it.
Yeah.
But I'm actually excited for it. Yes.
You're doing like single competitor.
Single, yeah. Whole thing
Okay.
single. You were planning to go duo.
I think we'll do duo or team. Bro. I don't know if there's a team. Is there a team?
Team is only team of two. There's no team of 3 or 4, right?
Let's duo on me, bro.
But the last moment, I didn't want it to ask anyone. I was like, fuck it, I just want to do by myself. So I just booked it.
I'll be mad, bro.
I booked first, then I asked my parents, can I go? Fine now.
The
Go.
peace.
What can be done?
Exciting, bro. I'll be
So
mad.
actually planning for Bangalore as well.
Mostly Bangalore will do.
This is in
I want to
April.
compete also.
Uh-huh.
I want to compete next year.
Bodybuilding.
Yeah.
ICN.
ICN. Maybe December show, Goa.
I'll
Let's
start
see.
my prep with you then.
Come, we'll be sick, bro. I'm taking all these boys. Dhruv and Anjan also are competing.
There also, right?
So that's our goal for next year, bro. Where we look like insanely
I
jacked.
mean, when you have boys with you doing the same stuff, it's more fun than doing solo.
Yeah. It's much
That's-
easier, bro.
Which year? 2026 or 27?
26. 26 and
26 and exactly 1 year.
so
Let's go. We're going to do our first set. The warm-up set or working set?
we'll do one warm up set. Just a leg press.
Huh.
And then we start working set, bro. It's we do 3 plates.
Hmm.
It's pretty easy, bro. And then there's squats. So guys,
So we're going to do this and
So 12 reps of this, and we take a dumbbell and
dumbbell that.
goblet squats.
12 reps of that.
Yeah.
Which dumbbell?
I would say at least
So how long have you been in this gym?
this gym, think 3 months now, bro. For your height, your legs are insane. You did 22.5, bro.
This is warm-up.
Yeah.
This is warm-up set.
Yeah. And then we'll go,
How much is it? 20, right?
yeah, 2020.
80 kg. So we are starting with our warm-up set. Danny is going to show how to do this.
Yeah.
So we're going to follow Danny right now. So let's see how it goes. That's crazy. So we're going to do 12 reps, right? 12 reps. 12 reps of this. Then we're going to do
Goblet
dumbbell
squats.
squats again. So yeah, let's do it. So we got 120 kgs on leg press and 22.5 on dumbbell. So this is gonna be our first set. Danny is gonna do it. This was I follow it. Why it's like cardio doing 12 reps here.
Part of my program. It's part of my program.
Sheesh. That's a lot of reps here.
Yeah.
Seriously. The maximum I do in one set is 8 reps.
Right.
Doing 24.
24. It's a quick workout, bro. You'll like
Uh-huh.
it. You'll end pretty quickly, but it'll go on, bro.
Okay. Before this set, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
So, as many guys look up to you, and you are no more just a fitness creator, you are more of a vlogger, travel, lifestyle, fitness all together. So, how and when did you start the content creation journey? What was your age? What was the mindset when you started? What was the goal that time?
So when I started, I was like I think 21, and initially it was just like I like posting videos, bro, and I had a pretty supportive crew around me, people, but of course at one point I'm like posting every day. I don't expect them to share my stuff, but my mindset initially was just like maybe I want to be the inspiration I wish I had, and it still is like that today, bro. So for me, it's mainly just being the guy I always wanted to be, and being motivation for kids to be like, you know what, he can do it, I can do it. That'll always be my goal, bro. Like to inspire kids to just like be the best version of themselves.
That's crazy. That's the same goal I have right now. When I started, I just started like posting random stuff, but soon I came to know my niche, my goal, my intent, and it went well. One more question. Do you think the 21, right? The 21-year-old Danny would be happy what he's doing right now?
I told 21-year-old Danny where he is right now and what he's done till now, he'll be like, that's crazy, bro.
My brother is literally roaming world because of content creation.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of him. When I see his stories on,
Thank you, bro.
he recently went to Bali for the Raw Dog Run
Run
Club. He met other creators. Yeah,
Bro,
I
my
actually
guy,
love what he does.
humble creator out there, bro. This is Vibe. He's too humble.
Nah, he's just telling because it's my video.
Bro, I'm telling you, like, when I see Vibe stories of him like smiling and dancing, bro, he doesn't care about anyone's opinion and he just there enjoying himself. So I'm just like, bro, this guy and what he's capturing in the moment is just like beautiful, and I love his stuff, bro. He's so real on his content, and it's just like the best thing to watch.
Yeah, right. Let's go. Second set. Oh my god, that's crazy. Eleven. 12.
Oh, it's killing me also, bro.
Crazy.
It's tiring.
I mean, a person who trains 4 sets for 6 reps, training 1 set for 24 reps is damn hard.
Of
My
course.
leg day literally be like mid machine squats, 3 sets, 6 to 8 reps. Leg extension, 12 reps. Hamstring curl, 12 reps. That's it. I don't do all these supersets and everything.
For me also was like that, bro. I wanted to change, like,
My leg is so
I was tired of
pumped,
being
yo.
just like a
Yeah.
same training over and again. So I wanted something structured. So I messaged my coach. He was like,
I mean,
we do lean bulk.
the blood flow on my leg is so hard right now. I can feel. I can't even flex it, yo.
You can see it.
Huh?
You can see it,
So
bro.
pumped, yo.
The veins are coming out.
Ouch. I think I'll remove a 5 kg something.
Yeah.
Okay. Because they are not strong as Daniels, we're gonna remove the 5 kgs and we're gonna perform with it's how much? 55, 110. So 110, 12 reps. I guess I might be able to do. Hello, brother. How are you doing? Yes, long time. 1 year, 1 year. Let's see, 1 second. So, half an hour. Crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Dead it is.
So the last set, my ears started blocking. I was gonna faint, bro.
Uh-huh.
The last set after I finished it, my ears blocking, bro. So I was gonna.
I mean, it's a different workout I'm doing. I'm not used to for
Fuck, bro.
so many reps. That feels good. Legs are like so dead, bro. Danny is literally giving me a reality check of myself. I feel so bad right now that I'm not able to do 12 reps for
It's just
110
something I
kgs.
do often and he doesn't. It's not that I'm stronger than him. I just do it more often.
Okay, let's
He's
do
doing
it.
my workout.
We got 12 reps again of 80 kgs. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 8.
Yeah. So late again. Yeah. I
That's
recall a
what
few
you
things.
get when you train with someone who's
Oh,
more
I'm actually like
experienced
dying today.
I know what to do. But it's okay. We'll try our best to match him. I got one more set of that. Let's see how it goes. The next exercise, I got few more questions to ask Daniel. Daniel, brother, how do you feel going on a solo trip? You recently went to Bali for 10 days.
So it's actually pretty.
How many days did you go?
1 week I went for.
1 week Bali solo trip.
So what
How
happened
was
was the raw dog, Noah, he put a story out to register for the run. Just a Sunday evening. So I thought I'll just register for the run. We'll see what happens. But they didn't get back to me till Monday evening. So Monday evening I got the text that you're invited for the run. You can come. So on Monday 6 p.m. I booked my flight for Tuesday 1 a.m. Just 7 hours apart. It was the most impulsive thing I've done in my life.
The most fun thing
But it was the most fun thing I've ever experienced, bro. Being alone on the other side of the world. And you're just by yourself and you can do whatever you want. No one cares who you are. You're just your own person. It's beautiful, bro. Because over here, I mean, if you go out, you have to care up so much about what people think. Because everyone talks in your city. But when you're somewhere else, you're just a new person and you can introduce yourself to whoever, talk to whoever, who's going to talk about you badly, bro.
Okay.
So straight.
If you all haven't seen Danny's Bali reels and Japan reels, I recommend you to go there. Go to his Insta account. I guess you posted on YouTube as well, right?
Yeah.
But go to his account, watch that. And one more question.
Same
What
for
do you
me.
think people who say content creation is just a time pass? What's the main life goal?
I feel like people, of course, underestimate it because people are too scared to put themselves out there. The easiest thing to do is judge the person who's doing it right. Like if someone's taking the risk and putting themselves out there, I'm going to be like, oh, what a loser. He's trying to make videos, trying to be famous. But he's actually doing it, bro. He's actually putting the effort to make his dreams come true. So content creation isn't something looked down upon because this year and next year you'll see how many people get into content creation because of people like us, people who inspire. I'm not putting us too high. I'm just saying I'm just saying we inspire people, bro.
I mean, if you see, you think the content creator has all those ego and stuff. But I guess when you meet him or me or any other creators, you know that we all are the same person.
Yeah, we're just like
who
you.
you are. It's just the
Yeah.
same thing that you might be a person who is doing gym every day, who has a good physique, but just not posting. The one
Yeah.
thing we are doing is we are doing the
weird.
same thing as you are doing, but the only thing is we are posting ourselves.
Yeah.
We are trying to be different. That's the only thing.
If you
That
have
makes
a
us
decent
different, I
physique
guess.
and you're not posting online, you're missing out on a lot of
A
stuff.
lot of stuff for here.
A lot of stuff for here.
The opportunities you get when you start showing up yourself, get a personal brand is crazy, bro. I'm telling you, it's damn crazy. Start putting up yourself out there, so you might be the next Daniel or next Rabo out there.
Yeah, you just never know.
Okay, what we are doing next?
Hamstring curls along with dumbbell RDLs.
Supposed to do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're gonna do 12 again.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
2, 1, 3, 4. We just got done with one set for hamstrings. There are a few questions I guess you all wanted to ask in. The first one is, what is your workout split look like currently?
Right now, 5-day split, push pull legs, rest, upper lower rest.
Okay, so that's 5 days.
Yeah, 5 days a week.
That's crazy. And what does your diet look like?
So right now I'm on 3.2 thousand calories.
3.2.
Yeah,
3 weeks.
and it's around 220 grams of protein.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like the usual oats and eggs for breakfast with yogurt, and then chicken and rice. That's the base, that's the foundation, but there's a lot of other things that work around it.
Okay. What is your favorite muscle group to train?
Chest, of course, bro.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. If you can only do 10 exercises for whole life, what would it be?
Is it that? I said before, incline dumbbell,
Okay.
cable flies. No, wait. I think about it. Incline dumbbell, lateral raises.
Yeah.
Pull-ups. I would do.
3 done.
Yeah. Squats,
Okay.
full legs, leg back.
6 more.
Ooh, I'm forgetting, bro. I'm like my brain is not
Oh,
working.
Your mind
I can't think, bro. But I answered so well. Okay, so I said
I
incline
guess we'll
dumbbell.
let this question be, bro. It's too much on our brain.
it's
too much on
it's
our
hard for me to
Too
function.
much. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
We got, what's the dream collab? I mean, one is happening right now. What is
Same,
that?
bro.
What is a dream collab? With a person or a company or
Uh,
anything? With a person. Who is your dream collab by? Anyone who you want to do it?
In the fitness community, I'd say Alex Eubank.
Okay.
But in the YouTube community as a whole is like Joe Weller. I don't know if you know him, but like his name is Joe Weller.
Okay.
He's a UK creator. He's the
What
first
does
guy
he do?
who fought KSI in the boxing match.
Okay, okay.
So he started YouTube boxing basically.
And Indian?
Indian. I mean, I would say like, of course, Saket. Saket is there.
I was
They
actually
say
thinking you would
Saket.
say- I was like, why is he taking so much of time to say Saket?
No, but everyone's gonna say Saket, bro. I mean, there are other creators also I like, but yeah, Saket. I feel like the creators I like, I'm around.
Yeah, yeah. Saket
You know what
is
I mean?
actually a-
Yeah.
Even I would say Saket, you. I would say Saket. Who else is good? I mean, in Indian, I don't get any other name than Saket.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. I was like, who else is there? Just
I
Saket.
mean, there are many creators, but collabing with one is Saket. And I guess,
Yeah.
yeah, you Saket, that's it. Okay, do you have a girlfriend?
No, I do not have a girlfriend.
So you're happy.
I feel like, especially at my age, at our age, having a girlfriend is, if she supports you, it's a great thing. But having girls around, or even if you're a girl, having a guy around is always somewhat of a distraction if you have a goal to achieve, bro. Unless they support you with it, unless they're like on the same path, same vision, everything, I think it's hard to have a significant other if you're chasing something, bro.
If you are straight 60 days on diet and 61 day you get a cheat meal, what would it be?
A
One
burger.
meal, that's it.
A burger, bro.
Questions, I'm just asking you whatever is coming to my mind. Who is it? Alright guys, we actually done with our exercise. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ shoot नहीं किया because we met after a long time,
Yeah, we got it talking.
so we went with the talking flow. So
Yeah.
I mean the workout was too good, and Yeah, that's it for this video, I guess. We'll have more video with
You'll be seeing us together a lot more often,
yeah.
for sure.
See you all there. Thank you for watching. Like, follow, subscribe.
Share, comment.
Peace. You all visiting me. See you all now.